Okay, so today maglalaro tayo ng game na tinatawag na, ano nga ba title nun? Psycho Inn. Okay. Dito sa game na to is, mag-inquire lang tayo sa isang hotel. Hotel, let's say, o motel. And it's kind of weird kasi dalawa lang yung tao doon. Kaya, yeah, medyo suspicious din yung owner. Kita niyo naman siguro, papakita ko sa inyo ano nangyari doon. Kaya, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Malapit na tayo mag 1K. And syempre, turn on the notification. Kung gusto niyo pa ng gantong horror, syempre, just do it, you know, gawin mo na lang. Developed by Reaper's Man. Watch and learn, guys. Itong game na to is all about hotel, okay? Psycho Inn. Yung mga gantong laro, gusto ko mga gantong laro eh. Gagawin sa hotel, watch and learn. Okay, here's the hotel. Yeah, papasok tayo dito. W is movie to interact. E pala. Swap items to equipment. Okay, sensitivity, babaan natin konti. Maganda to, yeah. Okay, let's go. Sir! Tao po! Tao po! Di ba? Good evening. What can I help you? What can I do for you? I just need a place to stay for the night. I've had a long day. You're lucky to have found this place. Most folks miss the turning to get down here. It's a quiet one tonight. Plenty of rooms are available. What type of room would you like? A double room, please. A double room? Oh, are you with someone? No. I just want the bigger bed. I see. Room 206 is available. 206. Room 206 daw, di ba? Oh, here's the key. Thank you. If you need anything, just ring the bell. I'll be right here. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Di ba? Napalinis ng hotel na to, man. Tignan nyo. Parang wala lang tumitira dito, man. 101? 206 dapat sa... tama, second floor nga. Napalinis ng hotel na to, pre.
Design daw yan.
Design? Sobrang ganda ng design. Tignan nyo yun. Wala man lang pintura. May tumitira pa ba dito? Parang... Ay, sir. Hey! Hey there! Have you just checked in? Yeah, I need a place to stay for the night. This is the only place I could find for miles. It is pretty remote. We don't get too many customers, but the boss insists we stay out here. He's a pretty odd guy, but he pays the bills. Odd in what way? He's just very secretive guy. Considering he's my boss, I never really hear from him much. He has these very strict rules in place. Never lets me clean the actual rooms. Only the hallways and the staff room. That's strange. It is, but like I said, he pays the bills. I can complain having less rooms to clean. Anyway, I'll let you get to your room. If you need help with anything, just ring the reception bell. If he's not there, then he's probably in the back. You can go and look for him. Okay, thanks. Have a good night. You too. Bye-bye. 206. Diba napalinis? Alright, I should put my backpack down somewhere. Diba napaka-simple lang ng ano? Saglit lang doon laro to, pre. Backpack remove. Pwede na ba mag-ano? I need to take a nap before I do anything. Today has been exhausting. I'll take a shower later. Okay. Sleep. Pangilang game na to? Second game, pare. Nightmare to nightmare, matik na. Uy! See? So I called you guys. What a weird nightmare. I don't think I can go back to sleep for a while. I should take a shower.
Spoiler kaya.
Are you kidding me? The shower isn't working. I'll have to go and tell the owner. Owner! Walang tubig! Namainilad ka ba? Wala ning janitor. Hey! Okay, hello. Ano spoiler? Ano ba sinabi ko? Boss! Walang tubig eh. He must be in the back. I'll go and look for him. Staff only beyond this point. Wag ka, makulit ako eh. Missing key. Main key for the basement has gone missing. If you find it, bring it back. I'm not fixing this again. Don't touch this door. Locked. Uy! Putik ka! Nakalimutan ko yung boss dito ah. What are you doing in there? I was just looking to see if you were back there since you weren't at the desk. The janitor said I could come back and find you. I came down to tell you that the shower in my room isn't working. Puma? He told you that? Interesting. I'll get someone to come in and have a look at your shower at some point. Okay, thanks. Wala na, naano na tayo na suspicious na tayo agad na. Suspicious na agad. Hello, Mr. DJ. The hotel owner gives me the creeps. Why was this key just sitting on the table in the staff room? He had all the others secured behind his desk. Maybe I should see what's in the room? It said room 303. Pinakataas. Ngayon mo lang na-realize na Albo. 303? Oo, dapat dito. Basta killer, dapat mostly lahat ng killer sa horror games, walang buhok eh. Tinatamad na sila mag design. What's in here? Weird, it seems to just be a normal room. Maybe there's something important in here. Mandilim. Notes for police report. Haven't seen anyone else for days, but the car park is full. Janitor says the owner is very secretive about some rooms, even with staff. Pretty sure I heard someone in the basement when I was in the staff room. Managed to find a key at the front desk. Going to try it on the basement door. Tomorrow. If I can. Looks like the note wasn't finished. Oh. Yan na! May nangyari na! What was that? Exciting part na ata. Exciting part na to, pre. May sinaksak na pare. May pinatay na agad. Umatake na si Puma. What happened, ha? Basement door ata yung nakuha natin na susi. Hindi sinara ni boss, oh. Ito dito ata. Ayun na nga. Basement door. Ano ba to? Dugo ba to or parang gas? Premium? Yun. Hindi ba ito yung janitor?
So talaga kaya napapahamak eh.
Janitor to printing janitor eh. Hey, thank you for the key, bro. Locker key. Oh my god. It's the janitor. He's been murdered. Did the hotel owner do this? Oh! What the... I suggest you come with me. Now. Sinumbong mo kasi? Ito na ako. Wala na, dali na tayo nito, man. So, anong gagawin sa atin nito? Sobrang mysterious din kasi na itsura niya, di ba? Hindi nyo napapansin. Get your things and leave.
Malay mo, baka mabait yan.
Get your things and leave. Sure? Kung mabait yun, nasan to? Holy shit! The hotel owner is killing people. I have to get my bag and get out of here. See, sinabi na nung character natin na siya yung killer. Told you guys. Told you guys. Oh, bawal ba akong mag-sprint? Ah, bawal nga. I think I'm going... Alis na tayo man, alis na tayo. Oh no. Oh no. I need to find a way out of here. Now. Ah! Sabi ko na eh! Sabi sa inyo siya yung killer eh. Oh, see that shit. Oh my god. What do I do? What do I do? Kailangan ng locker. Kailangan ng sa locker. May susi sa locker, alam ko eh. Ay, sinara yung sarili! Ang galing! Ay, ba't ano ba yan? No! Takti kasi ng tunog, ang lakas eh. Ang lakas kaya ng tunog na... Wait lang. Okay, wala na siya. He's not here. Ah! Kailangan nung nandun sa locker. Kailangan natin makuha yun. Okay, diretso lang. Okay, wala na. Close the door. Ano naman? Keycard. Janitor keycard? Saan to? Ito may red something. Ito. Janitor's closet. Sa door muna. Security keypad model RL2101. Installed basement door. Initial code 6503. 6503. Ay, puchang ka na! Nakakalipa din talaga. 6503. 6. 6, 5.
Iniwa ko dun.
Nakagulat yung sounds niya. Sabi niya maganda yung laro to eh. Holy. Crowbar. Okay, may crowbar tayo nakuha. May ano, it's locked. How long has he been doing this?
Tapang mo na sa paruha.
Possible siya din dito kasi malapit lang siya sa ating kanina.
Follow na sa mga di pa nakakapag-follow.
Okay, expect the unexpected na guys ah. Hindi na ako magugulat pre. Hindi na ako magugulat. Expect na natin may gugulat. Expect natin may lalapit siya. May ano eh, may barricaded na door doon kanina eh, nakita ko. No! No! Oh no, we got killed. Ano ba yan? Kung saan siya lumalabas? Ano yun? Sa CR ba siya lalabas ngayon? CR ba ulit? CR lalabas to. Ay, gagi, hindi. Ay, siya, oh! Ay, sorry! Asa yung barricade door? Sa first floor ba yun? Ay, what? Ang bilis niya na ngayon, guys. Oh! 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 Mataas balahibo ko. Barricade door. Where is it? Oh. Sino yan? Sino yan? Si... May note na naalagay. Wala siya? Damn, door wouldn't stay shut. I don't want anyone getting in here. So I boarded it shut for the time being. The repair guy should be here within the week. Oh, shoot. What a horrible way to die. Ay, bata! Puro jumpscare yung game, ah. Ay, nandun this! Mawala yung kanta. Okay, wala na. Lala ng sound effect, pre. Ang lakas masyado. Uy, gagi. Beng-beng ka sa akin. Ay, putsang kala naman, oh! Beng, 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 beng! Trian kasi I hate you.
Paano yung beng-beng-beng-beng nakaka?
Sabi ko sa inyo, maganda tong laro na to eh. Grabe yung lakas ng sounds niya, kaya nakakagulat talaga. Kahit sabihin mo ganun lang. Okay, makaalis na tayo, pre.
Mga farther balisa ko ba?
Beng-beng pa ako. Baka may mahulog. What the hell? Buhay ka pa? Ano? Buhay ka pa? Buhay ka pa? Ito pa na naman. Alam ko na lang. Hindi ba yun, man? Kawawa naman yung janitor. Parang ano lang siya. Yung sequel ng Granny. O, di ba? Tapos na agad.
Okay, okay.
Sabi sa inyo, saglit lang to eh.